Hi, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I will be creating Doctor Doom's mask for Avengers Doomsday. I will be printing out this model right here from Bambu Studio. So let's get started to slice it. Alright, below the mask and the slicer here. I enabled all the supports that we need so that the mask will be able to print good quality without it falling over and failing. So let's see how well this turns out to be printed. Alright, let's see how this Doctor Doom mask turned out. So far, probably the most successful mask print I've ever done. Looks to be. I'm just gonna get off here. Had to take the flexible build plate off to just flex it out. As you can see, the inside and outside turned out really nicely. So all I do is just take off the supports. Alright, after all that, we got all the tree supports off. Came off relatively easy. I mean, some spots were hard to reach with the snips and whatnot, but as you can see here, turned out pretty good with the supports. All I just gotta do is finish cleaning it up, sand it, and then start working on paint. Alright, so here we're gonna be spray painting the mask from Blackberry Primer. First, before we start really putting the color in, this will help make it easier for the color to pop out and also seal any imperfections. Let's go ahead. Alright, that'll be the first coat, let it dry, then we'll put on the second. Alright, now we can go ahead and put on the second coat. I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry for next to the third coat. Alright, and lastly, the third and final coat. That should be it. All we have to do is let it dry and put on the silver. Alright, now for our final touch of adding all the silver. Alright, first coat down, let it dry, and put on the second coat. Alright, can we put on one more coat, then I should be all set. See how well it turned out. Looks pretty good. Alright, and here we have our final end product. The back here I added leftover shoelaces as a strap go around your head, and I added LED lights for the eyes since Dr. Doom does have light up green eyes whenever he's using his powers. Power box up here. And when we turn it on, see his eyes glow green. I think it's pretty awesome. This is how the mask looks. You wear it. And so that's the end of this print build. Make sure to like and subscribe for more prints moving forward. And until next time, I am the old trunk, filled with ancient mysteries. I am the explosion in the college laboratory. I am the mask that burns with the fires of vengeance. I am the legend that unites this nation. I am Doom.